Welcome to the installation video for the 545 Undersink Cleaning Caddy. Before you begin, you'll need the following tools. In your box, you'll find the following parts. First, measure your cabinet opening to ensure the unit you have purchased is the correct size for your application. There is a link in the description below which shows you how to measure your cabinet opening. Line up the upper frame assembly to the wire basket assembly. Flip the unit on its side. Attach the bumper feet to secure. Compress the handle in order to insert into the slots on the upper frame. Place the base chassis inside the cabinet. Ensure it is free of any obstructions like hinges or plumbing. Flip the removable caddy 180 degrees to install on the opposite side. The front edge of the slides should be 1/8 inch back from the front cabinet's edge. Carefully slide the base chassis halfway out to access the rear holes. Pre-drill using the 3/32 inch bit. Screw the base chassis into place using the deep thread truss head screws. Slide the chassis all the way out to access the front two holes. Pre-drill and secure. Place the caddy assembly on the base chassis. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.